Now welcome back. You may remember this.
And look, it doesn't fit. Oh, I'm not used to that. Oh, goodness me.
At a bit of a crossroads, didn't really know quite what to do. Spent a whole lot of money on the car, turbo didn't fit, or at least it was a little bit too big. And where do we go from there? Thanks to a lot of you guys, and also a special thanks and shout out to my mate Shane. You're a bloody legend, mate. We made some decisions. We can't bring the mountain to Muhammad, but we can move Muhammad to the mountain. The best option was to buy silicone hoses with more flexibility to be able to get the turbo in where we needed to go. Okay guys, so as you can see, it goes! Which is fantastic news. There was a lot of other little things that went on there, which I haven't shown you because you don't have several days to watch it, which is fair enough. But yeah, essentially there are a few other things I've got to get right. I've got to make sure that it's going to be a reliable runner. I think I've replaced an awful lot of good stuff there. I think it's going to be pretty damn good now. So I want to know that the car's going to be a good, reliable runner before I start painting it. The second thing is I need to get a warranted fitness for the car. Yeah, I think it certainly got a warranted fitness when I bought it, so we'll see what kind of a result we get. There'll be one or two things, no doubt. So, yeah. So, I took the car in for a warranted fitness. That's the warranted fitness there. It's has a few things to do. Well, it has quite a lot of things to do actually. In fact, yeah, there's quite a few things that kind of need looking at. Yeah, there is. Look, there is quite a few things there that need to be done. And that's okay. We'd rather have it all looking absolutely spot on. And then once I know that it's a reliable runner and that it's safe on the roads and all that kind of stuff, then I can look seriously at stripping it back to the steel and painting it. And so that's great. That's great. Anyway, look, we'll catch up on the next one. How about we see in the next one, and I'll run through all the stuff that it needed and what I did, what I'm going to do, because I haven't done it yet. Okay? Is that cool? You will come back, won't you? Okay, well, if you can't come back, it's up to you. But we're getting there. We can see the end. Oh my God, so many trials and tribulations. This is a beautiful thing. See you then.